Our lovely patient, who's 46 years old, previously had implants and ultimately had them removed and came to see us as she felt that her volume of her chest was a little bit smaller than she had hoped for, but she did not want implants. So she is about 2 weeks out now from fat grafting to her breast, and she's graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about her journey.
So for me, this has been a really nice, great procedure. It was super easy. I would say the first day of surgery was really easy. I was surprised at how easy it was. I was probably thinking, why did I wait so long? So definitely a very easy surgery. And in terms of the recovery, it was just, first week of a little bit of pain, but nothing uncomfortable. Second week, I'm feeling so much better, but extremely excited about the results. I feel like it looks very natural, like no one would know. It's exactly what I kind of feel like I used to have when I was a teenager. And I just feel like I feel so much more like myself, and it's been a great improvement.
Fantastic. Is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
Yeah, I would totally recommend it because, it's just a little thing, but it just makes such a big difference. I don't have to worry about before I had to, pad my bra and just, I feel like clothes didn't fit appropriately. So now it's just so easy. I just throw anything on. And I feel like it looks good. So it saves me a lot of time and just peace of mind. So it's been great.
That's excellent. Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Anytime.